Alright, so just so you guys know, this is not gonna be some super fast build. This is gonna be actually it's gonna take a long time actually. I think just a couple months. Yeah, I just don't have that kind of money to make it super fast. But yeah, just guys letting you guys know so you guys don't get too excited expecting progress like really fast. Either way, today I'm just gonna clean it all out, vacuum it. I'm gonna try to get up on all 4 jack stands just to look under the car, basically just pretty much clean it, remove all these stickers. I'm not much of a sticker fan on cars, but yeah, it's pretty much just cleaning and just making it look decent, I guess, for now. Try to clean up some of the interior, see what I need. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so just finished up taking all the big pieces out, everything that was inside, random shit. It still needs a vacuum, obviously. Seats are out, most of the hatch panels are out, at least most of them are. Some of them still gotta take some off. We did find little Mr. Mouse in here, which is never a good thing. Hopefully he didn't get any of the wiring. We found $4. Didn't really had $1 coin still, but we got $4 back. Panels are over here. All the random shit we found inside. Most of it's for the car, some of it I don't really know, just random rags and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it up right now and see how it looks after that. Alright, so most of the carpet is out. I mean, not the carpet, most of the interior is out. Just half the carpet left, which is what I'm trying to get at, trying to remove the carpet here. For that, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to remove the dash. That little rat mouse did do a lot more damage than I thought. He had a chewed up carpet on this side, and then that cubby container that goes over here on this side, that's got chewed up too. A lot of the plastic is broken just because it was sitting out in the sun for 5 years. So a lot of shit I'm wanting to find. I'm starting to think the old owner lived with the fucking mouse. He had like a little house built for it out of cardboard behind the stereo. I'm not sure why he would have that in here still. I mean, he might have lived in here with a mouse, or oh, it's an antenna for some shit. Anyways, that's where I'm at. I'm gonna attempt to take the dash out pretty soon here, just so I can take the carpet out and clean this thing, because it does have a weird smell. But yep. Alright, so I finally got the dash out next weekend. That's just because that's the only time I had to work on this car. But pretty straightforward. 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on the other side, there and there, another one in the middle, right where the defroster is, that broke. There's gonna be 12s that come in through here. So that's 4 12s total. Lower the steering column. E-brake handle comes off, 3 12s. And that's basically it for the bolts. Connector wise, you're gonna have this green one that goes somewhere right above the clutch pedal, right by the firewall. So unplug this one first, and then when all the bolts are out, you're gonna have enough leverage or place to move it, room to move it, so you can scoot it back a little bit, and you can get to these 2 connectors. And then you're gonna have these 2 connectors and a third one, this one right there, the one that's hiding back there. Also need to get unplugged. Now some of these connectors can be tricky just because they're just old and shit. Just avoid pulling them by the wires because you don't want to pull them out by accident. It probably wouldn't take too much, being as this is a 93 and just being so old. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just out. We're gonna go through this all and clean it, paint that metal bar, fix what's broken, replace what's broken. And then these connectors just for probably just for future reference for myself, or in case you guys need to. Pop-up light connector, dash connector, cluster connector. This one's a cluster too. This one is cruise control, cigarette port, light, cigarette port, power. These all go to the AC control, these 3 right here. This one goes to the dimmer, also part of the assembly right here. Aftermarket radio previous owner had. And then this goes to the e-brake. This is the only one you gotta take off, the e-brake, so this dash can come out. So that's that. And this is how it looks finally in here. Like I said, these are the other connectors, well, from the engine. The one that's inside the car. This one goes to the dash. On the other side, it's those 2 blue ones, and the other one goes, the one I said it's by the firewall, goes all the way up in there. You can see it, but maybe once you see it, you'll know what you're looking for. The e-brake, 3 bolts, nothing. Steering column has to go down. There's just 2 12s too. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this shit. Do something about this fool's wiring that he did. He kind of just had gauges running everywhere. Clean it. I'm gonna try to take this carpet out without pulling it out, but if I have to pull out this box to get the carpet out, I probably will have to. I'm probably just gonna end up cleaning this carpet just because it is OEM, so it kind of fits really nice. And they have like this little Velcro shit, so you know you can access shit like this e-brake real quick. Just pop it off, and then the bolts are right there, and it's black OEM. The only issue I have is that little rat, or the rat chewed through it, mouse, whatever it was. All right, the carpet's finally out, dash is out, evaporator and heater core are both out. I'm pretty sure there's no way to take out the carpet unless you take out the evap and heater core, just because the carpet runs down through here. And the only way I can see you taking it out is if you cut it, but then you're gonna have a fucked up carpet. So I just decided to take it out, and I'm gonna go through this stuff too, just to be on the safe side anyways. So a couple 10s on top, they're pretty obvious to see. There's a couple 10s down there that hold it in too. Then you're gonna have the evap lines and the heater hoses that go in through here through the firewall. If you have no ABS, or if you're removing it, it'd be a lot easier to get to those. I did struggle a little bit just because the ABS is still here. I am going to remove it, but save that for another day. And then once the tens are out and the hoses are disconnected from the firewall side, on the firewall side, the evap comes out first through this little section. That comes out first. Don't forget to undo the drain hose, and then the heater box comes out next, and that just pulls out. Mine just got stuck on this top stud, so once I released it from here, it was pretty much loose. That ECU thing looking is part of the, or hook connects to the side of the heater box, so undo that too, and that's basically it. Pretty straightforward. Just gonna go through this entire thing right now, vacuum it. This is kind of my first goal was to get the carpet out, just so I can air it out and get rid of some of that rat shit that's in here. So I'm assuming probably piss in here too, so it does smell a little funny, but that's all out. Carpet's gonna get clean too. The only issue with the carpet is this little section on the driver's side foot, where it looked like he chewed a little bit through it. I'm honestly thinking of just using this carpet just because it's OEM and it already has the holes cut out. I'm just gonna clean it real good, and floor mats, you won't even be able to see that. So now I'm gonna take the carpet, and these are the trunk pieces. They're also dirty, and they're still full of those little pokey thingies. I don't know what they're called, the little needle things. So we're gonna go ahead and just toss everything on the back of the daily and take it to one of those self-serve car washes and just spray them down, clean it, and I'm pretty sure that's where it's gonna end up for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and take the evap box apart, the heater box apart, go through it all, clean it, replace what I can, replace what's broken or fix what's broken, because yeah, it's kind of where the car's gonna sit up for a while now that the carpet's out. That's about it. I'm gonna go through that, go through the dash as well, but that'll keep me busy for a while. Probably won't film any of that shit because it's kind of boring, but it's just taking shit apart and cleaning. So I mean, that's about it for now.